In today's dynamic business landscape, the quest for efficiency and seamless operations is paramount. Organizations, regardless of their size or industry, are constantly seeking tools that can streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and provide a holistic view of their activities. This often leads to the exploration of enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. If you're involved in project management or are simply looking for a comprehensive business management solution, you might have come across Scoro. Often touted for its robust project management features, a crucial question arises. Is Scoro truly an ERP system? As a project management expert, I've had the opportunity to evaluate and implement various software solutions, and understanding the nuances between specialized tools and comprehensive ERPs is vital. Let's delve into what defines an ERP system and then examine Scoro's capabilities to determine its place in this spectrum. What exactly is an ERP system? At its core, an ERP system is an integrated software suite designed to manage a company's day-to-day business activities. Think of it as a central nervous system for your organization, connecting various departments and processes into a single, unified platform. The primary goal of an ERP is to improve efficiency, reduce redundancies, enhance data visibility, and facilitate better decision-making. Typically, a full-fledged ERP system encompasses a wide range of modules, including financial management, general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, forecasting, human resources, HR employee management, payroll, benefits administration, time and attendance, supply chain management, SCM inventory management, procurement, order management, logistics, customer relationship management, CRM sales management, marketing automation, customer service, manufacturing, production planning, shop floor control, quality management, project management, task management, resource allocation, time tracking, budgeting, reporting. The key differentiator of an ERP is its integration. Data entered in one module seamlessly flows to other relevant modules, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. This interconnectedness provides a real-time, comprehensive view of the business, enabling informed strategic decisions. Scoro, a deep dive into its features. Scoro positions itself as an end-to-end work management software designed to streamline business processes and boost productivity. Its feature set is extensive and caters particularly well to project-based businesses, creative agencies, and consultancies. Let's examine some of its key functionalities. Project management. This is arguably Scoro's strongest suit. It offers robust tools for project planning, task management, scheduling, resource allocation, time tracking, and progress monitoring. Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and detailed task lists provide excellent visibility into project timelines and workflows. Sales and CRM. Scoro includes features for managing leads, tracking sales pipelines, creating quotes and proposals, and nurturing customer relationships. This integration of sales and project management is a significant advantage for businesses that need to seamlessly transition from winning a deal to delivering the project. Time tracking and billing. Accurate time tracking is crucial for project profitability, and Scoro offers various methods for employees to log their time against specific tasks and projects. This data then feeds directly into the billing and invoicing process, ensuring accurate and timely payments. Finance and accounting. Scoro provides functionalities for managing invoices, expenses, payments, and financial reporting. While it might not have the depth of a dedicated accounting software, it offers a solid foundation for managing project-related finances. Resource management. Efficiently allocating resources, both human and material, is critical for project success. Scoro allows you to manage team availability, assign tasks based on skills and workload, and track resource utilization. Reporting and analytics. Scoro boasts a comprehensive reporting module that allows users to gain insights into project performance, team productivity, financial health, and sales trends. Customizable dashboards provide a quick overview of key metrics. So, is Scoro an ERP system? The nuances of classification. Based on its feature set, Scoro undeniably shares several characteristics with an ERP system. It integrates various business functions into a single platform, aiming to eliminate silos and improve data flow. Its capabilities extend beyond pure project management to encompass sales, CRM, finance, and resource management. However, when compared to traditional, full-fledged ERP systems like SAP S/4HANA, Oracle NetSuite, or Microsoft Dynamics 365, some key differences emerge. Depth of functionality. While Scoro offers modules for finance and CRM, they might not possess the same level of sophistication and customization options as dedicated ERP modules. For instance, the accounting features in Scoro might be sufficient for project-based billing, but may lack the advanced features required for complex financial accounting and reporting in larger organizations. Similarly, the CRM capabilities might be strong for managing sales related to projects, but might not have the extensive marketing automation or customer service features found in dedicated CRM systems. Focus and target audience. Scoro's core strength and primary target audience lie within project-based businesses, creative agencies, and consultancies. Its features are heavily geared towards managing projects efficiently and profitably. Traditional ERP systems, on the other hand, often cater to a broader range of industries, including manufacturing, retail, and distribution, with modules tailored to their specific needs. Scalability and customization. While Scoro is scalable for growing businesses, the level of customization and the ability to handle highly complex and industry-specific processes might be more limited compared to enterprise-grade ERP systems that offer extensive configuration options and development platforms. HR and supply chain management. Notably absent in Scoro's core offering are dedicated modules for human resources, beyond basic employee management and time tracking, and supply chain management, inventory, procurement, logistics. These are typically standard components of a comprehensive ERP system,